Good morning, children. Already we have completed our term 1 syllabus. We are doing some revision portions only. Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. As per new syllabus, the MCQ pattern questions are only asked in the coming term 1 examination. So we are trying to give the same pattern only. Which of the following is not defined? Cos 0, tan 45, sec 90 and sin 90. These are the options is given. So for this you must learn the value of the trigonometric table, that is sin 0, cos 0, sin 90, cos 90, sin 30, cos 60, like that table we have studied or that value we have to study. So definitely we know that cos and sin have definite values for us, tan 45 also have value, so sec 90 is the option for us. So if you know cos 90, it is 0 only, so reciprocal of cos only sec, so it is undefined. So the question is asked not defined, so only the chances is for C only. So like that you can analyze the question and you can give easily the question. Now the maximum value of 1 by cosec theta is, the value is given for 0 degree to 90 degree only, which is the maximum value for this one only. So here what happens, we have given values are there. When you check cosec theta values, a not defined case also is there, but from the given option, which is the maximum value, we have to go for that. So the given option, it is A equal to, that is section A, question option A, that is 1 only. Next question, if tan A equal to 3 by 4 and A is an acute angle, then cos A. If tan A is given, definitely we know the formula, tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side, right? So we must know that hypotenuse we can calculate by using this one. Hypotenuse is which one? That is a triplet, you know that 3, 4, 5 only. So hypotenuse is equal to 5. Now cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, so it is equal to 4 by 5. Now options I have not written, since it is MCQ pattern, you know that the options will be given in the question paper, so we can solve and we can find the answer, that is best for us, so we are doing like that. Now what is the next question? Cosec theta equal to 2 and cot theta equal to root 3p, then find the value of p only. Cosec theta equal to 2 means what we can write, 1 by sin theta equal to 2 implies 1 by 2 equal to sin theta. This shows that theta equal to 30 degree, because this 1 by 2 is sin 30 only, right? So that means theta equal to 30 degree we got. Now what is the next step? We can write cot theta equal to root 3p is given. This implies cot 30 equal to root 3p. What is the value for cot 30? It is equal to root 3 only. So root 3 equal to root 3p. That means it will get cancelled. This implies p equal to 1 only. So like that questions will be easy only. You can analyze easily, you can solve easily, you can find out. So whenever this type of the questions are given, write maximum easy steps you use and you can solve easily. Now the next question, in the given figure, what is the value of cos phi only? Now this question is a diagram, you see it is two right triangle is given. So here what is the questions? ECD is one triangle, and in that one triangle phi angle is given, and another triangle, that is ABC, is given. Here theta is given. So here already we know that this angle is 90 degree only. Now we have to calculate a cos phi only, right? Cos phi means this triangle we have to go, ECD, we have to go for that one, but no value is given. So what is we can use here means, as you know that it is a straight angle. When you consider phi, then 90 degree, then theta, all this angle is equal to 180 degree. See, this is a straight line only. Okay, so phi angle 90 degrees in between and theta is given, so all the sum of these angles is equal to 180 degree only. Now 90 degree if I reduce means phi plus theta equal to 90 degree, because 180 minus 90 we have done, right? So what is the value? Now we got one equation, we got phi plus theta. Now children may got the doubt for this one. Usually we use this letter theta. Now what is another letter I have used here? 0, then cancel it. It is called phi only. So phi plus theta equal to 90 degree we got. This is our first equation. Now we are going triangle ABC I am taking. What is the special here triangle ABC? If you take triangle ABC, all the sides value we know that. Angle B is 90 degree only, right? Now what is the next 90 degree? If we consider theta plus angle A, that is equal to 90 degree only. So here we got first equation and here we got the second equation. Both are equal to 90 degree only, right? After that what we should do? Both are equal to 90 degree means we can equate to each other. So that means phi plus theta equal to theta plus angle A equal to 90 degree. So theta is common, we can cancel. So what is the remaining part? Phi equal to angle A. So cos phi is asked in the question, right? Cos phi is asked in the question means we have to calculate cos A. Right? What is cos A? With respect to A, what is adjacent side? What is the formula? We know that adjacent side by hypotenuse. So 4 by 5. So here which concept we have used? Straight angle concept we have used. Then we formed the equation phi plus theta equal to 90 degree. Another equation we got theta plus A angle equal to 90 degree. So we compare this one, then that we understood that phi and angle A are equal. That means instead of phi we can write angle A. So cos phi means cos A, that is equal to 4 by 5. If cot A equal to 12 by 5, find the value of sin A plus cos A into cosec A. See, cot A is given, definitely we can write it tan A also. Tan A, what is the answer? Reciprocal of this. And we know that tan A or cot A, if you take it, the relation is between the adjacent and the opposite side only. There is no hypotenuse is coming. But when the question is asked for sin and cos, then we required which one hypotenuse is required. So we know that triplet only. So this is opposite side, either opposite side or adjacent side only. So the longest side hypotenuse we can calculate first by using the triplet form. So we know that it is equal to 13 only. So we will write for sin A plus cos A into cosec A. Right. So sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. So which is the opposite side we must know. So what we can write here, if you are having doubt, then only you can draw the diagram. A I will write here. Cot A is adjacent side. So 12 by 5 here. Then here 13. Now what is the sin A? Opposite side by adjacent side. So 5 by 13 plus cos A 12 by 13 into cosec A. Cosec A means hypotenuse by opposite side. Which is the hypotenuse? 13. Opposite side it is equal to 5. So 12 plus 5 it is 17 by 13 into 13 by 5. So 13 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? The 17 by 5 only. So we got the value. Now the next question is tan theta equal to 4 by 5. Then what is the value for? 5 sin theta minus 2 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta equal to. We already done this method by either dividing the terms with the cos only, then tan we will get it. Now another method also we can go. Tan theta equal to 4 by 5 only. That means sin theta by cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Cross multiply, what will get? 5 sin theta equal to 4 cos theta. Right. So now we are going for this part. It is already given. What is given? 5 sin theta minus 2 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. There is no need of taking down and all because it's a MCQ pattern only. So instead of 5 sin theta, what we can write? 4 cos theta minus 2 cos theta. What is the denominator? 4 cos theta plus 2 cos theta. So 4 minus 2 it is 2 cos theta divided by 6. 4 plus 2 6 cos theta. Cos theta will get cancelled. So what is the remaining answer? 2 by 6 only. Simplification you will get 1 by 3. Okay. Next question. Sec theta equal to 3 by 2. Okay, what is the tan square theta? So already we know that the second identity 1 plus tan square theta we already know, right? 1 plus tan square theta equal to 6 square theta only. So what is tan square theta is asked here. So we will write here tan square theta means 6 square theta minus 1. So anybody directly knows 6 square theta minus 1, they can write. So what is the answer here? This is equal to 3 by 2 whole square minus 1. That is 9 by 4 minus 1. So 9 minus 4 by 4, that is 5 by 4. So like that, simple questions only. But if you know the identities and everything, you can do easily. Sin theta equal to 1 by 5, then 1 by 5 cot square theta plus 1 by 5 only. So first I will write that 1 by 5 common cot square theta plus 1, right? So what is 1 plus cot square theta? Theta should be written here. 1 by 5 into cosec square theta. Okay, so 1 by 5 into 1 by sin square theta. So what is sin theta? It is equal to 1 by 5 only. So 1 by 5 into 1 divided by 1 by 5 whole square. That means 25 will come in the numerator into 25. Cancel this. What is the answer we will get? It is equal to 5. Cot theta equal to root 5, then cosec square theta minus 6 square theta divided by cosec square theta plus 6 square theta only. So we will go for cosec square theta. First we will calculate a cosec square theta minus cot square theta, sorry 6 square theta divided by cosec square theta plus 6 square theta. We will go for the identity, that is easy for here. So 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta. So this 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 plus, sorry, minus tan square theta. See 1 plus 1, 2 only, 2 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. Once we know cot theta means tan also we can write because it's a reciprocal only. So what is tan here? Tan equal to 1 by root 5. So here whole square only we have to go. So this 1 will get cancelled first. Cot square means it is 5. Tan square means 1 by root 5 whole square, that is 1 by 5 divided by 2 plus 5 plus 1 by 5. Right. So 5 minus 1 by 5 is there. So 25 minus 1 divided by 5 after taking the LCM in the numerator divided by 7 plus 1 by 5. So 25 minus 1, what is answer? 24 by 5. 7 plus 1 by 5 is 35 plus 1 divided by 5. So 24 by 5, reciprocal here 5 by 36 will come. So 5 will get cancelled. So what is answer here? 2 by 3 after cancelling with a 12. Evaluate tan 45 divided by sin 30 plus cos 60 only. So just we'll put the values. Tan 45 is 1 divided by sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then cos 60 is also 1 by 2 only. So 1 divided by half plus half, it is 1 again. So final answer is 1 only. Now in triangle ABC, so before this what I already told that you should learn sine values first, then reciprocal if you take, that will be the cos value, sine and cos if you know, then the sine by cos is the tan value. So sine value if you learn thoroughly, we can go for all the values. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90, the value of cos of A plus C. See, angle B is 90 in one triangle means what is the angle A plus C? Angle A plus angle C is also equal to 90 degree only because 180 degree property. So what is cos A plus C means? Cos of A plus C means it is equal to cos 90. So cos 90 means it is a sine 0 only, so it is equal to 0. So clear this one. So once again I will say that one. So sine value, that is sine, I will write here 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. It is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2, then 1. So cos you can write from the reverse order, that is 1, root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0. Next what we can write? Tan only. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, it is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, it is root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. So once we got all the three values, what we can do? We can go for cosec, sec and a cot also. So learn like this, sine table first, then go for the cos, then go for the tan only. So with this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.